I know that when I'm beside you, we can achieve anything, and that there is no obstacle big enough on this planet to ever stop us.
We will face whatever challenges or adventures come our way. I will hold your hand through this life and never let go.
You bring a steadiness to her life, and that really matters.
Jeffrey, you found in Katrina someone who shares your sense of adventures, your kindness, and your ability to make every moment brighter. And Katrina, you found in Jeffrey someone whose steady love, generosity, and humor makes you feel right at home.
I had a brag. Did go any smaller because it went 3 sizes down.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Every day, we have lived our lives filled with warmth and joy. We always find time in our busy lives to make each other a priority, something I know will never change. Our lives together have had their ups and downs, but through it all, we always come out stronger. I know that when I'm beside you, we can achieve anything, and that there is no obstacle big enough on this planet to ever stop us. If you will have me, I promise that my heart will never be led astray, that I promise that I will always be there for you, in good times and bad.
And Katrina, you're a beautiful lady inside out. You have brought so much love and happiness into my son Jeffrey's life. And we're so happy to officially welcome you into our family. And now, you are officially my beautiful daughter-in-law. We can have so much fun. Shopping, traveling, do whatever together. I can't wait.
I consider myself incredibly lucky to have you by my side. Your heart is rare and precious, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my days with you. You are an incredible person. You are loyal and generous to those close to you. I'm inspired by your drive and dedication to everything you do. We will face whatever challenges or adventures come our way. I will hold your hand through this life and never let go.
By the authority vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Kiss.
What I see in you is someone who grounds Katrina. You bring a steadiness to her life, And that really matters, especially in today's world, right? You seem to give her a sense of safety, not by holding her back, but by standing beside her in a way that lets her be her full self. You're like a lighthouse in the storm. You're steady, guiding, and always there.
Over the last 4 years, I discovered that Jeffrey is everything and more than Kate described. Together, they don't just have a beautiful relationship, but also a deep friendship, mutual respect, laughter, very important, and an intentional, kind, emotionally mature, and supportive approach.
So let's get the dances.
Both of you are individually people that brighten up the lives of those around you. And together you only elevate that into a beacon that is so bright. I can't help but smile when I see you two together. Truly, every time I'm in town, seeing y'all is one of the highlights, and I never want to miss it. I love y'all so much.
Jeffrey, thank you for loving her the way that you do. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Every day it's about the journey. So to both of you, may your life together be filled with laughter, lots of laughter, resilience, and a deep, steady love that continues to grow over time.
I promise to be as good of a parent as you believe I can be. And I promise to walk by your side for as long as we live, till death do us part.
You are my once-in-a-lifetime love, and I'll choose you every day for all the days of my life. And if death do us part, I promise to find you in every lifetime. I love you.